The RMGB extension identifies a RealArcade game package file containing downloadable casual game content from the RealArcade gaming platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you install or troubleshoot these casual game package files. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange RMGB formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. RMGB files are game packages from RealArcade, a discontinued casual game distribution platform by RealNetworks. They contain complete casual game installations, including executables, resources, and configuration data for download and play gaming experiences. RealArcade RMGB files use a proprietary package format containing game executable files, media assets, configuration data, and DRM licensing information. They were installed through the RealArcade game client, which managed downloads and game library organization. The RMGB format operates under the official standards set by RealArcade from RealNetworks, Inc. Using a dedicated tool minimizes the security vulnerabilities associated with this format. Windows may detect the file type, but game engines or modding tools are required to interpret it. Initiate the search for the correct opener. Right-click your RMGB file and select Open With. Your best bet is RealArcade. If you see it, use it. If not, cycle through the remaining options. If you still cannot open your RMGB file, that is okay. Errors with the RMGB format usually come down to a small critical detail. Let's review our checklist now and verify all necessary components. First, legacy context. RealArcade was discontinued and the platform is no longer operational. RMGB game packages cannot be installed through the original client. Some games previously distributed on RealArcade may be available through current platforms like Steam or Big Fish Games. Next, extracting content. Try renaming the RMGB file to zip and extracting with 7-zip to access the contained game files. Some RMGB packages may contain recognizable installer executables or game data that can be extracted and run independently of the RealArcade client. Finally, finding alternatives. Search for the specific game title on current digital distribution platforms, including Steam, GOG.com, and Big Fish Games. Many popular casual games from the RealArcade era have been republished on modern platforms, with updated compatibility for current operating systems. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.